In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not connected on NordVPN. So if NordVPN is stuck on not connected, there are multiple reasons why this could be happening. And in this video, we're going to be going over the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check your internet connection. So to do that, be sure to disconnect NordVPN temporarily. We're going to go ahead and get back to that later. And then you want to open up a website like Google. It can be any website. Just open up Google or try to see if Google even is able to open up. So if the internet doesn't work without NordVPN, then that is a problem with your internet connection first, not necessarily NordVPN. So whether that means making sure that you have Ethernet, making sure that you reset your router, etc. If you're in a situation like that, then that means that there is an issue with your internet connection first, not necessarily NordVPN. So that is an important distinction that you want to get out right of the way, and that's why I suggest doing that as the first step. Okay, now what you're able to go ahead and do is you're able to go ahead and open up NordVPN one more time. Go to settings. Then you want to go to the left menu, select on connection and security. Then where it says VPN protocol, you want to go ahead and test all of these out right over here. So by default, it is set to automatic, but what you may need to do is you may need to go to Nord Linux, OpenVPN or OpenVPN right over here, and basically try all of these and see if it actually does work. So sometimes, depending on what you're trying to actually do, you may need to go ahead and change this. So that is definitely something you want to do. And if that doesn't work, then I would recommend that you guys do is to restart your PC. So sometimes simply restarting your PC actually does resolve any temporary network issues. That is something that has happened to me quite often. And literally, if I just restart my PC, there is like a 50% chance that it actually fixes the issue that I got going on. Now, another thing you want to try to do is you want to try to sign out and back into NordVPN. And also be sure to disable any other VPN. So if you have any other VPN such as ProtonVPN, ExpressVPN, or Cloudflare, and they're running, that is actually going to cause issues. So you want to make sure that NordVPN is the only VPN that you're actually using, just to make sure that you actually get the best results possible. All right, if none of these work, then what I recommend that you guys do as sort of a last resort is to reinstall NordVPN. So that is something you may need to go ahead and do. So to uninstall it, what you're able to do is you're able to do Control and then R. Then type in appwiz.cpl, select on OK. It's going to give you a list of all your different apps, and then you just want to type in NordVPN. You're able to select on it, and then press on uninstall. Of course, you should only do this as a last resort after you determine that it's not your Wi-Fi, after making sure that you have the most recent and up-to-date version of NordVPN. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.